You've probably seen how most tablets are great for work or play, but rarely both. So I spent a whole month using the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus to see if I could get the best of both worlds for under 5,000 ringgit. The outcome is quite surprising. Let's kick off with the design and build. For fan favorites, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus looks almost identical to the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and S7 Plus. The tablet is only 5.6mm thick and weighs 571 grams, second lightest 12.4-inch slate from Samsung. You have the typical magnetic strip to hold your S Pen, which I'm not really big on because I accidentally pressed the stylus shortcut button a lot, but truly a small matter. The tablet is so light, you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. Something uncommon worth highlighting is that this tablet is IP68 rated water and dust resistant. They don't do this often enough for tablets, and honestly, it's really nice to have. It comes in two colors, metallic silver and grey, giving it a sleek and premium look. On first impression, it has a 12.4-inch AMOLED 2X display with HDR10+ support. It has vibrant colors and sharp resolution at 2800 by 1752 pixels with anti-glare. For something that I can travel with easily, I love it. The colors are vibrant, sharp, and have great contrast. Unless you're doing some editing, you want to adjust your color settings because the typical Samsung saturation levels are a little off, but otherwise, it's great for browsing and watching shows. On top of that, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus supports 120Hz refresh rate. I could endlessly scroll and play games without interruptions. Speaking of performance, what makes it work so well for both work and play is its high-end MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Paired with 12GB of RAM, multitasking is no problem. This chip even offers 5G connectivity. With its long-lasting 10,090 mAh battery, with moderate use, you don't have to worry about needing to charge while you're on a day out. But even when you do need to charge, it does support 45W fast charging. Personally though, I wish there is a wireless charging option, but alas, it's just a nice to have. Remember when I was complaining about the S Pen being in the way earlier? Well, unlike some competitors, the S Pen actually comes included in the box. So you know what? The fact that I don't actually have to spend extra on accessories, that's already a win in my book. I could take notes or sketch whenever and not rely on the casing to keep my pen. With the split view screen, multitasking feels natural. I can browse the web while YouTube plays on the side, but the real magic is in the Galaxy AI features. Take sketch to image for example. I can draw something with low effort, either on a photo or on the Notes app, and yep, the Galaxy AI turns it into a polished version in different styles. And you have multiple options to choose from. Now, since I'm always busy, sometimes I don't have time to get into heavy readings or catch meetings. So the summarize feature has been a lifesaver. Whether it's a PDF file or a voice recording, I'll pretty much get a quick brief there and then. Let's talk about the cameras. Realistically, unless I need to, there's rarely ever a time when I whip out a tablet to take photos. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus has 13 megapixel for its main camera, plus 8 megapixel ultra-wide. The front camera is 12 megapixel and is capable of 4K video recording, so you could shoot content and take your meetings anywhere. The Galaxy S10 Plus has Dolby Atmos quad speakers that make the sound feel immersive. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a headphone jack, so you either have to pair it with Bluetooth headphones or embrace your inner boomer and just enjoy it out loud. So, most important question, how much does this tablet cost? Currently, it's priced at 4,499 ringgit. It's expensive, but it's a well-rounded device for both work and play. Think of it as a combination of a laptop and a tablet in one device. Perfect for those working remotely or students online. The keyboard is sold separately though, so you should consider adding that to your budget for maximum productivity. For content creators, students, and working professionals, the performance, display, and productivity features on the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus make this an Android powerhouse tablet. For those who have experience using this tablet, let us know how it's been for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech content. See you next time. Bye-bye.